Hello everyone, welcome to the course Data Structures. This is Thulasi Chitra, Associate Professor, Department of CSIT, MLR Institute of Technology. Let us discuss today's overview of the session. We will be discussing about implementation of double linked list deletion operations. In the previous session, we have already discussed about the theoretical part of how we are going to perform the deletion operations. Under that, we come across three deletion operations. One is deleting a node at the beginning of the list, and delete a node at the end of the list, and delete a node based on the key value. Okay. Let us try to implement this in online C compiler GDB. Yes, we can open online C compiler. As we did this program previously, right? Up to creation and insertion operations, we have completed this program, right? Now, in this itself, I want to include the remaining part of the program for deletion operations. Let us do the deletion operations. Okay, and include those three functions which we require here: void delete, delete begin, void delete end, then void delete based on key. Okay, these are the three functions where we have included. Then coming to the choice based options, include those three functions here. That is, eighth one is delete begin, and ninth one we have delete end, and the last one where we have delete based on key. Okay, these are the three functions. Now include this in the cases also. Case 8, delete begin, then break. Case 9, delete end, then break. Then case 10, delete based on key, then I had to break this, right? And here also break, we are missing the key value, right? And change the choice variable to up to 10 different cases we have taken here. Now include our three different functions for deletion operations. Okay, void delete begin. Okay, now first we need to assign temp equal to head to make the connections in proper way. Once check the previous video on this deletion operations which we have already discussed. Okay, next temp equal to head, and we need to remove the first node from the list. That means head equal to head should be assigned to the next one, head equal to head arrow next. Next, head arrow previous, we need to remove the connection between the nodes, right? Current node and the previous node. So we are going to make head arrow previous equal to null. And at the end, we are going to deallocate the memory for it by using free of temp. This is for delete begin, and similarly we will be doing it for delete end. Right? Assign last node we need to delete, right? That's why we need to assign temp equal to last, and last is going to be assigned with last arrow previous. Okay, next last arrow next will be assigned with null value, right? Now free of temp. This is very simple, right? And the last one, where we have delete based on key. First we require the key value, declare it and read the key value by using printf, read the key value. And read it by using scanf, address of key, right. Now assign your temp to the next location, that is temp equal to head to move forward, right. We have assigned the temp equal to head. Next, we should traverse through the list until temp not equal to null. Temp not equal to null, we need to traverse through the list. And here, if you reaches the key value, if temp arrow data equal to key, then terminate your loop and make the connections. Else, if not the case, you assign temp to P1 and temp should be moved to the next location. Okay. Now make the connections properly after deleting it. After coming out of the loop, now make the connection here. What is that? First make the right connection, that is temp arrow next arrow previous equal to P1, P1 arrow next equal to temp arrow next. Okay. This is how we need to make the connections, and if you want you can write the free of temp, that will also work. Now save this program. Now try to run this one. Yes, now we will see only the deletion part. Okay, first we will create the nodes here 10, 20, 30, 40. If you want to have one more 50, I have included, and try to display all the elements 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 are the elements. Now I want to delete the first node from the list, that is 10 has to be deleted, right. Give the choice as 8 and display it. Yes, 10 is removed here, you can look here, 10 is removed, right. Next choice, enter the choice as 9. Now the last node has to be removed, that is nothing but 50 has to be removed. That means try to display it. Yes, 50 is removed here. Now you could observe here after 40 you don't have any element, 50 is removed. And the choice 10, that means based on the key value it has to remove. That means I am going to give the key value as 30. This has to be removed. That means you need to give for display, that is choice is 2. Now you can see here 30 is removed. Based on the key value I have removed the element. Okay, like this way you can try to implement this deletion operations in double linked list. Okay, let us see the overview of this today's session, that is summary of this today's session. In this session we have discussed about implementation of double linked list deletion operations. The 3 operations we have come across: delete begin we have seen, delete end and delete based on key value. Okay, I hope you understand this session. Thank you.